Hello, welcome. In this video, you will learn how to strum to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. We will have a new strumming pattern and we are reviewing chords that you have already learned if you are following the series. So make sure that your ukulele is tuned and make sure that you're keeping the nails on your fingerboard hand nice and trim. For Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, we will need chord C. Please play that with your ring finger. I'm strumming with the nail on my index finger and gliding down. Then we will need F. And G7. Make sure to pivot the hand inwards to make room for those two fingers to fit on the second fret. The first phrase of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star goes like this. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Let me move closer so that you can get a better look. So we're doing C, 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 F, F, C. Try that with me. 1, 2, 4 C's. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. The next part is G7, G7, C, C, G7, G7, C. Try it with me. Ready, go. How I wonder what you are. Again, 1, 2, ready, go. How I wonder what you are. Watch me play the first line. If you're ready, play along. If not, you can just look. 1, 2, ready, and twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Try again. 1, 2, 1, 2, beginning, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. This song has 3 parts. The first phrase that we just played, a second phrase I will teach you next, and the third phrase is exactly the same as the first phrase. So you've already learned 2/3 of the song. So let's focus on that middle part and then we will be done with the whole chords of this song. So easy, right? So let me move closer so that I can teach you that second part. Okay, let me play the middle part for you first and then we'll do it together. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Even though that second phrase is just one phrase, it repeats. We have this. And that happens again. So we're just going from C to G7. Okay, try that with me if you're ready. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Try again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. One more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So right now, I would like for you to put your ukulele down and rest your hands. I'm going to play the whole song for you, and I just want you to look. I don't want you playing so that you rest those fingers. They probably hurt from playing all those chords. So just watch this time and look at how my hand moves from chord to chord, okay? Watching only. 1, 2, beginning, and... Let me move closer. Just watch again. Rest those hands. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, okay, if you're ready, let's play along. If you can't do the whole song, then just play along to the parts you can do. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now, just for fun, to add style, let's add a strumming pattern. So this is a strumming pattern that I like to do with a lot of songs because it's so simple, but it adds a beat. And what I'm gonna do is down, down, up, down, down, up. And the reason I make a difference with down and down is because we're just gonna hit the top strings here, down, and then on the second down it's gonna be heavy, down. So down, down, a little bit, all, little bit, all, and then an up. On the up, don't worry about hitting all of the strings. It's really more like sometimes you'll hit them, sometimes you won't. It's about making it really relaxed. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And on that first down, I'm only doing a little movement. And on the second down, I'm doing more weight. Down, down, up. Notice that how high up my hand comes. Down, 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 down. So if I go to a C chord, this is what this one sounds like. Let me try again. Adds so much more. I don't know what it is, but it adds something to it that I really like. So your homework is to practice down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And if you're only hitting one string on that first down, that's fine. Down, down, up, down, down, up. It really is about keeping a relaxed hand and keeping that beat like dun, da, da, dun, da, da. Just really, I don't know what it is, but it just sounds good. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Alright, so that's your homework from this video. Once you have practiced, come back so that you can go to the next tutorial. See you in the next one.